Guys, so I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with a Kryolan Concealer, and this one is in D62. And then I'm quickly grabbing the Essence eyeshadow palette. This is the Nude edition. And I'm just going in with that light brown eyeshadow shade because this one is going to be a transitioning shade. So just making sure that I pack it in really well. And then on top of that, I'm going in with a dark brown shade because this is going to create that smoky effect that we're looking for. Just a little bit of slight smokiness. We don't want to overdo it. So now I'm just taking the same concealer that we used to prime my eyelid, and I'm just basically using it to kind of like clean out that area where we're gonna place our eyeshadow shade, because this is gonna help that shade pop out a bit more rather than just leaving it and applying it on directly. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadow palette from Shiseido, and I'm going in with that green eyeshadow, sort of like a darker green on that palette, and I'm placing it all over that area. And then just on the center of it, I'm going in with that light green shade, sort of like a teal. And then I'm just outlining my upper lash line with that black gel liner and making sure that I wing it out on both directions, the inner corner as well as the outer corner, kind of like creating that cat eye type of look. So now I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Artistry palette with the shade called Calabasas. It's more like a reddish shade, which I love so much. It's so pigmented. And then just on top of that inner corner, kind of like the cat eye teardrop area, I'm going in with that light green teal shade just on top of it and underneath it. Now I'm making sure that I coat my lashes very well with mascara, just to kind of like help my false lashes and my natural lashes blend in a bit more. Then I grab my two lashes and I kind of like stuck them together so it can give me that dramatic lash that I'm going for. I do want to have more of a natural look on this one, especially with my lashes. And now I'm going in with the foundation from LA Girl, and this one is in warm caramel, making sure that I distribute it evenly, and then making sure that I blend it all out with a beauty blender. And now here I'm using the same concealer that I used earlier, and basically I'm using it to highlight underneath my eyes as well as the bridge of my nose, you know, all those areas that we want to pop out and basically be noticed from afar. So going back in with my beauty blender, just blending out those areas, making sure the concealer is not so much visible but it's doing its job. So now I'm grabbing the Milani Cosmetics Sunset Duo Blush and Bronzer palette, and this one is in Sunset Strip, and I'm going with a darker shade to contour the hollows of my cheek as well as the sides of my nose, just to create that sort of like slim face shape basically. in with the beauty blender, blending out those lines so they don't look so harsh. You just want the shadow base. Now I'm taking the Benai banana powder and I'm just placing it on those areas that we highlighted, as well as chiseling my cheekbones as well, or my jaw area rather. Now I'm just quickly taking a powder brush and brushing off the excess powder. Now I'm quickly grabbing the Hey There Girl Glam blush collection, and I'm going in with that blush shade, obviously the pink shade, as well as the darker shade, which is the bronzing shade, and I'm combining them together so that the pink doesn't look so harsh. I just want it to have that slight brown in it. And then on top of that, I'm grabbing the e.l.f. Health and Bronzing Powder, and this one is in Warm Tan. It's a bit darker with a little bit of gold shimmer in it, so I'm just using it on the hollows of my cheeks just to kind of bring out the contour a little bit more and to darken it a bit more. Then again, I'm quickly grabbing the e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder, and this one is called Sunkissed. It is sort of like gold-ish in color, so I'm using it to highlight the bridge of my nose, as well as on the sides of my cheeks, on my cheekbones, and just a little bit of my forehead, and to make those areas stand out a little bit more. So now I'm gonna grab this Colored Hill lip liner, and this one is a light brown shade, and I'm just overlining the inside of my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with a Calvin Klein lip gloss, and this one is called Mysterious, and it was looking a little bit too nude for me, so I decided to go in with YSL lipstick in an orange shade and place it in the center of my lips, and also go over it with a dark brown lip liner to kind of help the look come out a little bit better than I wanted. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Until next time, bye bye.